Hey everyone, I'm Cherie, independent designer for Couture, and today I'm going to show you their awesome new chalk inks. It's just endless with the possibilities now. We can chalk or ink on every surface, chalkboards, mirrors, wood, metal, and now we can do it on fabric and ceramic mugs. So that's what I'm doing right today. I am using on this one, the first one is I Don't Do Mornings, and I'm using their metallic copper, and it has like a metallic glitter to it. It's really cool. And then I am adding lips to the Love Cup, bright red, of course. This stuff is fun. Love how that one turned out. Okay, now I'm trying some farm life, but I don't have room for the whole animal, so I'm just trying to put the pig on there. That's why I use the painter tape, so I don't go over. Ta-da! Pig head. Next one I'm going to try is the sheep. Do the same thing with the painter tape. There you go. Now all I have to do to set this is put it in a cool oven, turn it on 350 degrees, and let it bake for 30 minutes. Then let it cool in the oven. And then take it out and you're ready to go. You could put it in the dishwasher. And if you do this on fabric, you would heat set it with an iron and it could go in the laundry. So it can go anywhere. You can use it on anything. This stuff is so awesome. I just love it. Thanks for stopping by.